Morning, dear students. This is Nisha Dheer. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, open your EVS book. The name of the book is The Greenhouse. This is your first preparatory assignment. In this AV assignment, we revise our chapter number 5 and 6. As I already explained you in previous AV assignments, in chapter number 5 we revise the back exercise. In chapter number 5 we have first question, pick the correct answer. First question is, which of these is an important food? And we have 4 options. First one is energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food, and all of these. So which of these is an important food group? So all of these 3 are important food groups. So the correct answer is all of these. Next is, which of the following is a junk food? तो इनमें से जंक फूड कौन सा है? वी हैव 4 ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट वन इज़ मिल्क, राइस, पिज़्ज़ा और बटर. तो इनमें से कौन सा फूड जंक फूड है? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ पिज़्ज़ा. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ दीज हेल्प्स in the repair of the damaged part of the body? What's the question? कि हमें यहाँ पे फूड ग्रुप्स दिए गए हैं, इनमें से हमने सेलेक्ट करना है कि कौन सा फूड है जो हमारी बॉडी के डैमेज्ड पार्ट को कवर करता है, रिपेयर करता है. वी हैव ऑप्शंस एनर्जी गिविंग फूड, फाइबर और बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज़ प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. तो इन ये 3 टाइप के फूड्स हैं, फाइबर्स हैं. तो इनमें से कौन सा फूड जो है हमारी बॉडी के डैमेज्ड पार्ट को रिपेयर करता है? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज़ बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड रिपेयर द डैमेज्ड पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ दीज कंटेन विटामिन्स? वी हैव ऑप्शंस कैरेट्स, मिल्क, ऑरेंज, ऑल ऑफ दीज. And the correct answer is all of these. We get vitamins from carrots, orange and milk. So the correct answer is all of these. Next is, which of these food items will a vegetarian not eat? We have options tomato, fish, rice, bread. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है कि इनमें से, इन फूड आइटम में से कौन सी फूड आइटम है जो वेजिटेरियन जो पीपल होते हैं वो नहीं ईट करते हैं? सो टमाटो, राइस एंड ब्रेड, दीज आर द वेजिटेबल्स. सो टमाटो, राइस एंड ब्रेड, दीज 3 प्रोडक्ट्स, इन 3 प्रोडक्ट्स को कौन खाता है? वेजिटेरियन पीपल. बट what's the question is, which of these food items will a vegetarian not eat? तो वेजिटेरियन जो पीपल होते हैं वो कौन सा इनमें से फूड नहीं ईट करते हैं? द करेक्ट आंसर इज फिश. नेक्स्ट इज, चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड्स टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट fill-up is rice and sugar are dash foods. So write rice and sugar are energy giving foods. Next is dash foods help build healthy bones and muscles. So body building foods help build healthy bones and muscles. Next is, we get rice and wheat from dash. We get rice and wheat from plants. तो हमें राइस एंड व्हीट कहाँ से मिलते हैं? फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. वी शुड नॉट ईट डैश फूड ऑफ्टन. तो हमें कौन सा फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए? यस, जंक फूड, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट इज डैश डू नॉट ईट फिश एंड मीट. So vegetarians do not eat fish and meat. Next is matching sources of food, from where we get foods. So what are the sources of foods? Yes, plants and animals are the sources of food. Next is vitamins. We get vitamins from fruits and vegetables. Next, fibers. We get fibers from grains and dals. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन वेजिटेरियंस. तो जो नॉन वेजिटेरियन होते हैं वो क्या खाते हैं? यस, दे ईट मीट एंड फिश. नेक्स्ट इज हेल्दी फूड. फ्रेश एंड वेल कुक्ड food is known as healthy food. Next we have true false. Protective foods protect us from falling sick. Yes, it's true. We get vitamins from fruits and vegetables. Yes, we get vitamins from fruits and vegetables, so it's true. Next is young food is good for our health. No, it's false. Healthy food helps our body to grow and remain fit. Yes, it's true. तो जो हेल्दी फूड होता है वो हमारी बॉडी को ग्रो करने के लिए और फिट रखने के लिए हेल्पफुल होता है. सो इट्स ट्रू. वेजिटेरियंस ईट मीट, फिश एंड एग्स. इज इट ट्रू? नो, इट्स फॉल्स. Next we have question answers, and the first question is, these are the very short question answers. First is write 3 energy giving foods, and the answer is wheat, 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 RICE, rice, potato, etc. Next is write 3 body building foods, and the answer is milk, paneer, fish, etc. Next is write sources of food, plants and animals. Which food make us unhealthy? And the answer is junk food. Next we have short question answers. What are the 3 main food groups? And the answer is number 1 is energy giving foods, number 2 bodybuilding foods, number 3 protective foods. Next question is why food is important for us? And the answer is because it gives us energy and helps us to grow. And the next question is what is fiber? तो fiber क्या होती है? And the answer is fiber is a substance in food that help in proper digestion. And the next question is what is junk food? And the answer is food that is not good for the body is known as junk food. Now we will revise chapter number 6. Open page number 47. First question we have, tick the correct answers. Which of these is the main source of water on the earth? And we have options rivers, lakes, rain, ponds, and the correct answer is rain. Groundwater gushes out at places to form. We have options dams, springs, streams, falls, and the answer is springs. Polluted water is dash. We have options clean, healthy, dirty, potable, and the correct answer is dirty. Next is which of these contains water? We have options cucumber, tomato, milk, all of these. So the correct answer is all of these, cucumber, tomato and milk, all these contain water. So the correct answer is all of these. Next is which of these means water is fit for drinking? Number 1 polluted, rainwater, portable or hand pump, and the correct answer is portable. Next we have write true or false, and the first one is rivers are the main source of water on the earth, and the correct answer is is it true? No, it's false, because rain is the main source of the water on earth, so it's false. Next is cucumber and tomatoes contain a lot of water. Yes, it's true. Wells and hand pumps help us to get groundwater. Yes, it's true. Next is boiling water makes it dirty. It's false. Next is water should not be wasted. Yes, it's true. Next we have question answers, very short question answers. First question is, what is the main source of water on the earth? And the answer is rain. Next is write any two man-made sources of water, and the answer is wells and hand pumps. Next is, what are the natural sources of water? And the answer is rivers, lakes, ponds. Next is, which food items contain lot of water? And the answer is tomato and orange. Next, short question answers. How can we clean water or remove germs from it? And the answer is we can boil water to make it germs free. Next is, what is potable water? तो potable water का मीनिंग क्या होता है? And the answer is water that is pure and fit for drinking. तो जो water ड्रिंकिंग के लिए फिट होता है एंड प्योर होता है, जर्म्स फ्री होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पोर्टेबल वाटर. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज वाटर पोल्यूशन? एंड द आंसर इज व्हेन अ सोर्स ऑफ वाटर गेट्स डर्टी इट इज नोन एज द वाटर पोल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. हाउ कैन वी सेव वाटर? लिस्ट 3 वेज. तो हम वाटर को कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं? हमने एनी 3 वेज राइट करने हैं. 3 वेज आर, एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज कीपिंग द टैप क्लोज्ड, नेवर लेटिंग वाटर ओवरफ्लो फ्रॉम buckets. Third one is bathing with a mug and bucket. Next we have fill-ups. Dash is the main source of water on the earth. So rain is the main source of water on the earth. Next is we can get groundwater by digging dash, and the answer is wells. We can get groundwater by digging wells. Next is we must not waste water dash water, and the answer is waste. Humans, plants and animals need dash to stay alive, and the answer is water. We can dash water to make it dash free. We can boil water to make it germs free. So I think the concept is clear. Revise this work. Do practice on your rough notebook. All the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.